Vice Chairman Bernard Luzon, Jason Romantico, our consul from the Philippine Consulate General in Macau, our MWO, Labor Attaché, to please witness the cake cutting. Thank you so much, Maria and Ate.
Hey, Bendik, bawal yan.
Siguradong i-focus mo yan eh.
Once again, Kuya, Ate, Bunso, Friends of Eagles. Before we end this celebration, may I call on the callers.